Hey everyone, this is Taylor Nelson. I'm the director of the Rehabilitation Department here at Manning Regional Healthcare Center. Originally, I'm from Exira. I did my physical therapy schooling at the University of New England, where I received my doctorate of physical therapy degree. I've been practicing PT since 2019, mostly in the orthopedic type setting. I also have some additional training in vestibular and vertigo type conditions as well.
Hi, I'm Stacy. I'm originally here from Manning. I've been working in the hospital since 2010. I am the physical therapy tech and intake coordinator. I have had very many jobs around the hospital.
Hi, I'm Michaela Kittner. I'm a PTA. I grew up around Erling, so I lived around this area most of my life, so I'm kind of familiar with this area. I did my physical therapist assistant training at Clarkson College in Omaha. I've been practicing as a PTA since 2009 and had a variety of different areas that I've been working in and treating different diagnoses. I have had additional training in aquatic therapy and Parkinson's treatment.
Now Stacy's going to take you on a tour of the rehab department.
When you arrive for your rehab appointment at Manning Regional Healthcare Center, you'll come in through the main doors and you'll get checked in at the admissions desk. Once you get checked in, you'll come down and be seated outside of the rehab department. The therapist will come get you when they are ready for your appointment.
Here in the rehab department, our treatment philosophy emphasizes one-on-one care, so you'll be seeing one therapist, not having them bounce around between patients. We also focus primarily on exercise-based approach as well as some hands-on techniques to improve joint mobility and overall flexibility. We also offer occupational and speech therapy for more of a holistic approach for both inpatient and outpatient services.
If you're looking for a different type of therapy approach, if you've tried other treatments in the past and maybe those haven't worked out the way you wanted, a different therapy that we offer is aquatic-based therapy. We partner with the rec center here in Manning. Some of the things that we see for aquatic therapy would be chronic pain, fibromyalgia syndrome, different orthopedic conditions after joint replacement when your surgical incision has healed, as well as many other diagnosis, neurological balance type disorders that we treat in the pool.
After your appointment, stop in and schedule your follow-up visit.
If you're suffering from any muscle or joint pain, sport or work-related injury, or balance issues, consider the rehab department at Manning Regional Healthcare Center.
Manning Regional Healthcare Center, your trusted experts close to home.